Kovel ki hek dung suina institution to to nam ki hek family le ki hek to wai in kwan pe olo la mang hiya sim
ni dang ina I tabang tampikin day mo
nai sem le sem khom loi kwan le kwan khom ta te nu le pa te zuya khang khe to hiya
a society pen primitive society to directly to modern society ki root
pasal ni lo wa ai ki zi ni lo wa ta ni ho kha I tiel thei
tiếng khom mà in loạt khom sharing thì ở tấm mà
tiang chu hi le le cha khovel nok sang na jang khom le som khol lo
pathian na gel dan na lupa ichi chelo contract kilo chin kof ne na ya awun na pa hita
family involves a mother a father si me kha dit no lo mo ke where is my mother what is family si pen mo family si pen panga
deeply rooted value system in a ka a society to on no na dia zung ki kai ko klong tu taka what exactly is family it's been biblical perspective ilut ki ke le chu
if the family fails the nation the society will fail